Welcome to our channel. Removing a late payment from your credit report using a Goodwill letter can help improve your credit score if you have an otherwise good payment history. Step 1. Review your credit report from all 3 bureaus to identify the late payment you want to remove. Step 2. Ensure the late payment is accurate and was indeed reported correctly before attempting removal. Step 3. Write a Goodwill letter to the creditor explaining your situation and politely requesting removal of the late payment. Step 4. In your letter, acknowledge the late payment and take responsibility for it rather than making excuses. Step 5. Explain any extenuating circumstances that caused the late payment, such as medical emergency, job loss, or family crisis. Step 6. Emphasize your overall positive payment history with the creditor and your commitment to maintaining good standing. Step 7. Request that the creditor exercise goodwill and remove the late payment as a one-time courtesy. Step 8. Keep your letter brief, professional, and respectful, typically no more than 1 page. Step 9. Send your Goodwill letter by certified mail with return receipt to ensure delivery confirmation. Step 10. Wait 30 to 45 days for a response and follow up if necessary. Step 11. If successful, verify that the late payment has been removed by checking your updated credit report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.